Hi, this is Flo. Now, I play with Design Space quite a bit, and I do quite a bit of uploading. Well, today I wanted to take a picture of the dog, and I went upload to get my picture of the dog, and here's my picture of the dog. So I opened it up, and it's behaving itself, and then I thought, right, okay, the new program that's coming out, 6.15, is going to allow us to do background removal. So here's dog, and you can see that I've got a bit of bench in the background there, and I've got a plastic popper thing that came with some of my parcels. So I'm going to click remove background. Now, this is the most amazing background removal I've ever seen, and I still can't replicate it in any other program that I've tried. So I've got that done, and I'm going to now click apply. And apart from the fact that he's got big white pieces where his eyes should be, I am very happy with that picture. And you can see I've already updated it, uploaded it here. Now, what I didn't have is I've got these two big white areas in there. So I'm going to show you what I did. I actually I clicked on the internet and I searched for image of a dog with eyes that were brown. And surprisingly enough, it came up with images that had brown eyes. So I selected one and then decided that this one actually came up very well. So I used the snipping tool on the computer that's in Windows, and I went new, and then I chose the freeform snip, and so I did just that. I went around the outside of his eye, so where his eye is, whoops, and I'll come back down under here, and that's his eye. So I then saved that image and put it in there as a left eye, and I saved that. And then I did exactly the same thing as I had with the other images. I uploaded it into my design space, and you can see I've uploaded both of them there. Now, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to select all three of my image uploads, and I'm going to add them to the canvas. Now, once you get them onto the canvas, you can then do other things with them as well. Now, I've got an eye here, and yes, that's the eye right, and this is the eye left. Now, this one here, where's he going? Okay, there he is. And when I bring him over here, I can't even see him. Aha, I know I can't see him. He's gone behind. Let's just get this one in the back. Let's send you to the back. Yeah, get back, dog. Right, now I'm going to bring this over and I'm going to adjust it for sizing so that it's the right size for his eyes. Now I could either make him larger or the eye smaller, and I'd made the eye smaller, and just make that one a bit smaller. And now I think that looks pretty good. And all I've done is take a snip. I've used everything that's free, and Design Space is free. I can now select all and flatten that to make it as a print and cut picture, and I can now print and cut them. Now I can either make them a sticker, which I can put on things for my niece, whose dog it is, or I can do a print and put them on a cup or a t-shirt for her. And she will absolutely love that going on a t-shirt because it's amazing. So Design Space is an amazing program, and you can do a huge amount in it that you don't actually realize. So I hope this has helped somebody, and thanks for watching.